So this question is talking about midpoints and unit vectors. So let's see how you get on with this one. So I'm trying to find a unit vector parallel to MC. So what I need to do is I need to find what the vector MC is and then divide it by its own length. I'll explain that a bit more in a moment. But before I do that, I'm going to draw a little diagram. So I've got the relative to an origin. I've got the points A and B. So that's just a rough sketch of where A and B could be. It doesn't really matter exactly where they are. And AC, this vector AC, I'm given as well. So on my sketch, I'm going to represent that with that arrow there. Now M is the midpoint of AB. So there's M on my sketch. So M is halfway along AB. Now I want to try to find this vector MC because I want a unit vector which is parallel to that. So to get from M to C, I'm going from M to A and then from A to C. So MC in vector terms is the same as MA plus AC. But what is MA? Well, MA is half of BA. There's BA, that vector there, and MA is half of that. So MC is now half of BA plus AC. But what is BA? Well, BA is A minus B. If you go from B to A, that's the same as going from B to O minus, and then from O to A. So that's minus OB plus OA, or OA minus OB. So we've got a rather interesting, shall we say, expression there for MC. So we can now put all of these vectors in the right places and calculate the vector MC. So there's the vector MC, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to find a unit vector parallel to MC. Well, that's going to be a multiple of MC, and it's going to have a length of 1. That's the definition of a unit vector. So for example, if MC had a length of 10, then the unit vector parallel to MC would be at 1/10 of MC. So to find a unit vector parallel to MC, we take the vector MC and divide it by its own length. And what is its length? Well, we do three-dimensional Pythagoras on itself, the square root of 8 squared plus 16 squared plus minus 7 squared, and that's 369. So the unit vector parallel to MC is that. And we can actually simplify 1 over root 369, and that becomes 1 over 3 root 41. So there we are, that's the unit vector parallel to MC.